This is a walkthrough on how to program a new ABB ACH180 variable frequency drive. There are some differences from the now obsolete ABB ACS320 drive to the new ACH180 drive. Note that the wiring terminal numbers have changed. Refer to the ACH180 VFD supplemental instructions, which are an update to the VFD-12 Instructions manual to set up this new ACH180 drive. Your local carrier distributor customer assurance team may be able to send you some highlighted instructions to make the process easier for you. Note here the highlighted control voltage wiring from plug PL25 to the new drive. Here is the orientation of the wiring, by color, to the new drive. Now we will demonstrate how to program the drive. If you wired and powered the drive, note that you may have an error or that the drive will only run at 6 Hz or not at all. Make sure to press the off button to stop the drive. Use the installation manual to find the control parameters. Note the icons. Scroll down to the bottom for the parameters icon. If you had already altered some parameters, you may want to scroll down and select to restore to factory defaults, then enter the full list of parameters. Now note the group numbers 01 through 99. For the first example, scroll to group 99, then expand group and scroll to 9908. Confirm this is set for 60 Hz. Now exit back and scroll to group 28. Expand group and scroll to 2822. Change this setting to option 3. Scroll to 2823 and change this setting to option 4. Scroll down to 2826 and change the setting to 40 Hz. Scroll down to 2827 and change the setting to 60 Hz. Scroll down to 2828 and also change the setting to 60 Hz. Scroll down to 2829 and set this to 0. Exit group and enter group 10. Scroll down to 1024 and change the setting to option 16. Exit group and scroll down to group 30. Scroll down to 3013 and verify this parameter is set for 0 Hz. Scroll down to 3014 and verify this parameter is set for 60 Hz. Exit and scroll to group 21. Scroll down to 2119 and change the setting to option 2. Scroll up to 2103 and confirm this is set to 0. Exit and scroll to group 28. Scroll down to 2871 and confirm this parameter is set to option 0. Scroll down to 2872 and confirm this is set to 30 seconds, and likewise for parameter 2873. Exit group and scroll to group 97. Scroll to 9713 and verify it is set to 0%. Scroll to 9701 and verify it is set for option 4. Scroll to group 31. Scroll down to 3115 and change to 300 seconds trial time. Change 3116 for 6 seconds delay time. Scroll up to 3112 and change the setting for bit 0 to option 1. This concludes the standard control parameters. Now you will need to use Table 7 in the VFD manual to find your motor parameter data by matching up the row for your drive, installed motor, and your unit voltage. In this example, we match a motor ending in 463, the drive ending in 510 and the unit voltage of 460 to find data set ending in 9830. Now scroll down to the next page and find the last 5 parameters based on your data set. Enter parameter group 99. Scroll down to 9907 and enter your unit voltage. Or, enter the voltage measured on site. For this example, this will be 480 volts. Now scroll to 9906 and enter 2.9 for motor nominal amps. Scroll to 9909 and enter 1725 for nominal motor RPMs. Scroll to 9910 and enter 1.7 nominal motor horsepower. And finally, exit and scroll to group 30. Scroll to 3017 and enter 2.9 for motor max amps. Note these last 5 parameters are specific to your voltage, motor, and drive combination. Set the drive to auto. You can now test the drive. Energizing thermostat G should operate the drive at 40 Hz. Note the 30-second acceleration ramp time. Now with a second stage cool or a heat thermostat signal, the drive should switch to 60 Hz. This concludes the VFD parameter setup. Thanks for watching.